Hello guys, still welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm actually concluding these things with how to create a podcast. So we're going to make a podcast using your computer. It's a very simple process. First of all, you have to go to what? You have to open your Excel. And you find your Excel is there displayed on your app, on your computer icons. The apps are already there displayed. If the app is not displayed there, you can come to search. Here you search, you can actually get your what? Your Excel app. So here we already have it here displayed. So you just double click. It's here opening. It's here starting. So guys, I think has come. So here you tap with your blank one because we are now creating a report card. It's supposed to be a blank thing. So tap to it. So you come here, you write the names of your students, the list of your students, maybe John. Let's say John, first name which is maybe John, Moses. Let me say Noel. Noel. So you enter Moses. Another one is maybe Peter. Right there maybe Nyeri. Right there maybe Nyeri. So here you have to write here. So you guys here you let me backspace this one. Right here maybe that's the name. Put name. Say your name. After name, put your position. Name you put here maybe English. English. Mathematics. SST. You put your maths, English, you put science. After you finishing here, you put your total. So you put your total, you put your average. After you put your average, you put your position. Putting position in, you finalize now with what? With a comment. Your comment. So you're done with your what? Then you start what? You start entering your marks. So guys, instead of your marks are already there, you have already put the marks to your what? To your students' names. So here now, instead of you writing the totals one by one, which will be a waste of time, you just come here and you say equals to. Say equals to. Open the bracket. So you just say equals to sum. Come here. Say equals to. You say sum. Then open the bracket. Sum. You open the bracket. So here you highlight. Start from here. You highlight your stuff. You highlight up to here. After you highlighting, see after you highlighting your thing, you close your bracket. After you highlighting, close your bracket. Then you say now, enter. So after you entering, you double click. You see now your marks are already there. You have dragged it down there, so it will automatically what? Calculate each and every student's what? Marks. As what? As total. So now you come at the average. Average here. Here. What you're supposed to do. So you just come here. Already you're done with your total. Come to your average. Just say you say equals to average just say average you open your bracket, you go and highlight. Make sure you don't highlight your total. After that, then you close. Of course, when you have to put shape, otherwise if you go there direct, it will give you another thing. Close your bracket, then you enter. It automatically gives you your thing. Then here now, you auto view your thing. Automatically your thing has come. So here guys, it's very easy. So let's go now direct to our positions. The position of each one. You guys, since time is not actually our best highlight, I would like to stop here. For the case of position, you can use the VLOOKUP. You get the average, you compare the average, maybe the totals, then you get the position of of each and every student. The same to comments, you use the VLOOKUP, you use the $sign. So time is not actually our best highlight. I would like to end here. Have the best of your time. Thank you. Please never fail to subscribe and share. Thank you.